Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're talking about the new Letters Embroidery Unisex baseball hat, the perfect addition to your wardrobe for both style and functionality. Crafted from a blend of soft cotton and polyester, this baseball hat is designed for ultimate comfort and durability. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply running errands, this hat is the perfect accessory to keep you looking and feeling great. Available in a variety of stylish colors including black, white, green, beige, navy, and brown, there's a shade to suit every taste and outfit. The adjustable snapback closure ensures the perfect fit for head circumference of around 56 to 60 centimeters, 22.83 to 23.62 inches, making it suitable for men and women alike. Not only does this hat boast a classic design, but it also features intricate letters embroidery for that added touch of style. Whether you're a fan of casual streetwear or you're just looking for a versatile accessory to elevate any look, this hat has got you covered. So, why wait? Upgrade your headwear game with the new Letters Embroidery Unisex baseball hat. Trust me, once you have it, you won't want to leave the house without it. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have cap. Don't miss out, get yours today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am super excited to bring you a review on the 2PCS Kneepads Sports Pressurized Elastic Kneepads support. If you're someone who loves to stay active and play sports like basketball, volleyball, or even go for a run, then this product is definitely for you. These knee pads are designed to prevent injuries and make your workout or game much safer. The paste strap is sticky and easy to tear, making it convenient to put on and take off. The double bundling feature firmly protects the meniscus and provides relief for arthritis joints. The best part is that these knee pads come in different sizes to ensure the perfect fit for you. Whether you're a medium, large, extra large, double extra large, or triple extra large, we have the right size for you. The adjustable feature allows for a comfortable and snug fit, so you can focus on your performance without any distractions. Made of polyester, these knee pads are lightweight and won't weigh you down during your activities. They are suitable for adults and can be used in various scenes such as fitness, basketball, volleyball, cycling, running, and more. So, if you're looking to take your game or workout to the next level, I highly recommend checking out these knee pads. The support and protection they provide is unmatched, and you won't be disappointed. Make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on a pair of these amazing knee pads. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, music lovers. Are you tired of using boring, low-quality speakers that just don't deliver the sound you crave? Well, look no further because I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the GHXAMP For JBL GO 2 music speaker repairs. This amazing speaker is designed to provide you with the ultimate music experience. With a 1.5-inch 4-ohm 6W full-band neodymium waterproof design, this speaker delivers crisp, clear sound that will blow you away. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes at home or taking the party on the go, the GHXAMP For JBL GO 2 music speaker repairs is perfect for any occasion. Not only does the speaker offer incredible sound quality, but it's also incredibly durable. With a waterproof design and a rubber edge bottom basin, you can take this speaker with you anywhere without having to worry about it getting damaged. So, why settle for subpar sound quality when you can have the best? Upgrade to the GHXAMP For JBL GO 2 music speaker repairs and take your music to the next level. And the best part? You can get your hands on this fantastic speaker right now. Just click the link in the description to make your purchase. Trust me, you won't regret it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch audio products. Let's crank up the volume and enjoy the power of great sound together. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your music experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of party lovers and decorators. We have tons of exciting content coming your way, so make sure to turn on those notifications so you never miss out on a new video. Today, we're going to be talking about the perfect addition to any party or celebration, the 40-set 12-inch mixed blue rose gold confetti latex balloon. Now, I know what you're thinking, why should I choose these balloons over any others? Well, let me tell you. When you purchase this set, you're not just getting ordinary balloons. You're getting high-quality, durable latex balloons that come in a beautiful mix of blue, rose gold, and confetti designs. These balloons will instantly elevate your party decor and leave your guests in awe. But wait, there's more. As a follower of our channel, you'll have access to exclusive discounts and VIP pricing that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, you'll also have the chance to win free products and receive big coupons from our store club. Who doesn't love a good deal, am I right? By joining our community, you'll always be in the loop about new arrivals, store promotions, and other amazing benefits long before anyone else. And let's be real, who doesn't love being ahead of the game? So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to purchase your 40-set 12-inch mixed blue rose gold confetti latex balloon today and take your party decor to the next level. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay up to date with all the exciting things happening in our store. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, life's a party, so let's celebrate in style. Cheers! Hey there, fellow language learners. Today, I have an incredible tool that will revolutionize the way you learn English vocabulary. Are you tired of traditional methods that make memorizing words feel like an impossible task? Well, say goodbye to those struggles because I have the ultimate solution for you. Introducing the mind map method for learning 3,500 English words in just 10 days. Yes, you heard that right. With the help of this innovative technique, you can expand your vocabulary at an unprecedented speed. No more endless hours of repetitive learning and boring exercises. The mind map method will make the process enjoyable and efficient. But that's not all. When you purchase this package, you will also receive the word artifact, root dictionary, and English vocabulary books. These resources are carefully curated to complement the mind map method and ensure that you have everything you need to succeed in mastering the English language. Imagine the confidence and satisfaction you will feel when you effortlessly recall and apply 3,500 new words in your daily conversations and writings. The impact on your language skills will be undeniable, and you will be amazed at how quickly you can progress with this powerful combination of tools. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the mind map package today. Join the thousands of learners who have already experienced the incredible results and take your English vocabulary to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and exclusive offers. It's time to unlock your full potential and become a language master. Let's do this together. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the TWS Bluetooth Headphone Wireless Earphone Stereo Headset. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a convenient and high-quality audio solution, this product is a game-changer. First off, let's talk about the wireless feature. No more dealing with tangled cords or having to constantly adjust your earbuds during a workout. These TWS Bluetooth headphones provide a seamless and hassle-free listening experience, giving you the freedom to move without restrictions. The stereo sound quality is truly impressive. The sound is clear, bass is rich, and the overall listening experience is immersive. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or taking calls on the go, these earbuds deliver top-notch audio. Performance. The included microphone is perfect for hands-free calling, allowing you to stay connected without having to reach for your phone. And with the charging box, you can easily and conveniently power up your earbuds whenever needed, ensuring that you never miss a beat. Now, I know what you're thinking. With all these incredible features, this product must come with a hefty price tag. But guess what? It's actually extremely affordable, making it a no-brainer for anyone in need of a reliable and high-quality audio solution. So, if you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the TWS Bluetooth Headphone Wireless Earphone Stereo Headset. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next review. Hey there, gamers. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? If you're looking for a high-performance gaming PC that can handle all of your favorite games with ease, then the MXZ High-Performance Gaming PC is the perfect choice for you. With its powerful third-generation AMD Ryzen 7 5700X6 processor and the NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card, whether you're into fast-paced shooters like Fortnite and PUBG, or immersive MMORPGs like World of Warcraft, the MXZ Gaming PC has got you covered. But it's not just about the raw power. This PC also boasts bestinkless storage with a 1TB SSD NVMe that can load your games faster than ever. Say goodbye to long loading times and hello to immersive gaming experiences. And let's not forget about the stylish design with customizable RGB LED fans that will make your gaming setup stand out. Plus, we offer free cooling fans to keep your system running smoothly. But that's not all. We also provide a 1-year standard warranty for our products, as well as excellent customer service to address any issues or concerns you may have. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming setup with the MXZ High-Performance Gaming PC and experience gaming like never before. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible gaming machine. Don't miss out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Today, I am so excited to bring you this amazing PAW Patrol birthday decoration set. If you have a little one who is obsessed with PAW Patrol, then this set is an absolute must-have. It comes with 17 adorable cartoon balloons featuring all of your child's favorite characters, Chase, Marshall, and Sky. These balloons are made of high-quality aluminum film, so they're durable and will last throughout the entire party. Not only are these balloons perfect for decorating your party space, but they also make for a fantastic toy for your little one to play with after the party is over. They can even use them as props for imaginative play, bringing their favorite PAW Patrol adventures to life. Whether you're planning a birthday party, a playdate, or just want to surprise your child with a fun and festive decoration, this PAW Patrol balloon set is the perfect choice. And the best part? They come at such an affordable price, so you'll be getting amazing value for your money. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible PAW Patrol balloon set and make your child's day extra special. Trust me, they will absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing finds and party ideas. See you next time. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really special to share with you, the 110 Mini Alloy Bicycle Diecast Model Finger Mounted Miniature Metal Bike Racing Toy. This little beauty is made of high-quality alloy and plastic, so you can trust that it's durable and built to last. Not only is it perfect for collections, but it also makes a fantastic gift for the little ones in your life. And let's not forget about the parents. It's a great way to bond with your kids over a shared love for miniatures and racing toys. Bicycle enthusiasts, this one's for you too. This model is a must-have for any fan of bikes, and it's sure to be a hit in your collection. And let's be real, who wouldn't love to receive this as a gift? It's an excellent addition to any collection and makes for a truly unique and thoughtful present. So why wait? Treat yourself or a loved one to this awesome model today. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the 110 Mini Alloy Bicycle Diecast Model Finger Mounted Miniature Metal Bike Racing Toy. Trust us, you won't regret it. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about high-quality products. Today, I've got something really special to share with you, the 18 Mini Model Alloy Bicycle Diecast Decoration Metal Mountain Finger Black Bike Simulation Collection Gifts Toys for Boys. Now, I know what you're thinking, why do I need this? Well, let me tell you why. This mini model bicycle is not just a toy, it's a beautiful piece of craftsmanship that will bring joy and delight to any collection. Made from high-quality alloy and metal, this diecast decoration is built to last and is a true collector's item. But it's not just for display. This mini bicycle is a fantastic gift for boys of all ages. It's a great way to foster their love for cycling and outdoor adventures, and it's sure to bring a big smile to their face. Plus, it's the perfect size for carrying around in a pocket or backpack, so they can take it with them wherever they go. So, why should you buy this mini bicycle? Because it's more than just a toy. It's a symbol of adventure, freedom, and the joy of childhood. It's a reminder to always keep that sense of wonder and excitement alive, no matter how old we get. And it's a gift that will be cherished for years to come. If you want to add this beautiful mini bicycle to your collection, or give it as a special gift, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I am super excited to be bringing you a review of the XIAOMI J18 wireless earphones. These truly wireless earbuds are packed with amazing features that will take your listening experience to the next level. First and foremost, let's talk about the sound quality. The XIAOMI J18 earbuds deliver 9D sound quality, thanks to their in-ear design and composite diaphragm moving coil unit. This means you can enjoy full, thick, and natural sound with a realistic sense of hearing. It's like being transported to the heart of the music or audio you're listening to. But that's not all. These earbuds are designed for all-day comfort. The ergonomic and lightweight design ensures a snug fit, and the 3 sizes of silicone ear caps provide a personalized fit for every ear. Whether you're working out or on the go, you can count on these earbuds to stay put and keep you comfortable. And when it comes to functionality, the XIAOMI J18 earbuds have you covered. With hands-free calls, smart touch control, and automatic stereo mono mode switching, you can seamlessly manage your calls and music playback with ease. Plus, the IPX5 waterproof design means you can keep the music playing through sunshine and rain. So, if you're ready to take your wireless listening experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the XIAOMI J18 wireless earphones. Trust me, they will not disappoint. And the best part? You can purchase these amazing earbuds through the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your audio game. Hit that subscribe button and grab your XIAOMI J18 wireless earphones today.